Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to start a new series, and it's going to be a series that's based on building a little track for the Sur-Ron in this field by my house. So today, the first day of the series, I'm building this big step-up jump. As you can see here, we're looking at like a 2 or 3 foot lip, stepping up, and that's like another 2 or 3 foot landing on top of that. The distance I measured out is about 9 to 10 feet. Just the first jump of a few. I'm going to come back around. I'm going to do a step down over here, another jump over there. We'll come back around this way, but the series will have probably a jump per video that I'm building and finishing out. Today I'm just building this one. You're going to see a time lapse on that build, and then maybe I'll test ride it here. So we'll see. Holy shit. Yeah, that one was the one. I landed right there. Whew. Almost got bucked off. This landing needs to be bigger. I mean, I did a lot of shoveling, but I need it to be bigger. We'll go one more, make it bigger. Landing. More dirt, more flat landing. We got to fill in that whole section there. I think the distance is good enough. I mean, I could make it bigger, but if I make the landing flatter, I can go farther. The takeoff's perfect. It feels great. The run up was good. I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of what the track will be. So say I land this jump. I'm going to come through here, make a berm here, come back around this way, make a berm right around here. From here, this is going to be a step down, little hip, left hip, step down. So we'll jump up this. I'll dig out a landing like right here. Little left berm here. I'm going to dig out a jump right here, which I've been hitting, but we'll make it a little decent double, maybe 6 foot double. Come through here with the berm, big straight into this jump. This one will be a sender back to there. We'll just flatten out that landing. I'll just shovel this out and make it nice and gradual so that we can have a kind of like a speed jump. Come into here, land, berm, a smaller step down here maybe. Start here, land into this, and that'll be the last jump. So we land into that, we come through, and we hit our jump. Yep, that'll be fun. I'm gonna do some work, fill this in a little bit more. All right, we flattened out the jump a little bit. Let's see. A little bit smoother. Still need, I mean, I'm going far. Like my front tires are landing down here. Still need to build it higher, flatter. Let's go one more. That was fun though. Tried to smooth it on that one and kind of clip the top. One more. Let's go. So I measured it out from right down there to the lip is 11 feet. Not very big, but for a backyard field jump and my old broken body, it's big enough. That time we smoothed it. That was a butter. Perfectly on the top there. But the lip, the lip's doing okay. Next video, I'm going to build up this step down jump so I can have this little loop and dig out a berm or two. Then I can have this little loop done, and then we'll proceed with that jump, that berm, that jump, that berm, and then that step down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps and like 4 or 5 berms to build. So until next time, keep the rubber side down.